put the stick there because I didn't know if I was going to lay the stick down, and then I thought about putting it up, and then this piece snapped off. And I'm thinking now, actually, I'm not too sure if I even need that. So earlier when I was walking with Johanna as well, we came across a natural archway in the trees, and we went under it, and then I realised I went under the fence as well. So now I've this to go under. And I only realised that when I had put it there. Yeah. And that maybe this little pine cone symbolised me, and all the little pieces on it are open, because it's relaxed. You know, if it was cold, it'll all close up again. Yeah. So I feel quite relaxed, so that made sense. And then I really like sweet chestnut trees, which is what this is, and I found a nice sweet chestnut leaf, and also an open sweet chestnut, which usually they only open as 4, but these ones here are a bit different, and they seemed more open and more inviting. So I thought that you know, symbolised the right way, and things do seem open, and I have lots of options and opportunities. And just a rock in the middle, and it seemed nice and smooth, and it was kind of there on its own. There was no other rocks around, so it really stood out. And it has a nice smooth rounded texture, so it's like it's been through a lot, and there's no more rough edges anymore. So I put that underneath. But but I think now I don't need this.
Yeah. What do you want to do with it?
Just throw it away.
What does it symbolize?
I think it was like almost like a kind of a crutch, you know, something there that I kept, but I didn't really need it. It was like an extra, maybe it's an extra burden that I have hanging around that I really don't need. But I thought I needed.
Burden was it?
I'm not sure. Maybe just the security of doing the same thing.
Right. Security. So secure that you're
having to crouch down. So I don't think it's necessary.
Right.
And I think it's taking away from this.
Right.
So
how does it feel to throw?
Much better.
Yeah. Where do you feel it in your body?
Good. It was a good throw.
Yeah. What do you feel right now in your body?
Lighter.
You see how instantly that works.
Yeah.
Great. Guys, questions?
Is there any symbolism why you picked up the stick with these grapes?
Yeah, it kind of jumped out that there's, you know, it's in one way it's a dead stick, but there's all this other growth on it and all this other life. So it's an old stick, maybe it's wise, but there's still plenty going on. Yeah, and there's lots of interesting things.
Beautiful. It's art. For me, it's art. Really, to see that. Beautiful. All right. Any questions?
And the stone. See where you place the stone?
Yeah.
Is that symbolising something?
I'm not sure. I think it's just gone under, just gone through the other side.
Oh, yes.
So maybe that's what it is.
What is it?
Maybe that's me. I made it through, or I can make it through, and dived down and under and out the other side.
Right.
And on the other side,
there's the lovely, this beautiful, nice soft texture in underneath all the, you know, there's all those, you know, prickles and discomfort, but there's something really nice then.
It's almost like a throne.
To get there. It's like a throne, yeah.
Very throne.
Yeah, it reminded me as well of like a starfish or a sea urchin.
Great. Is there something else you notice when you look at the whole picture?
I noticed these little mushrooms popping up along the way as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe symbolising new things, you know, just popping up along the way that I don't know what they are, but I'll have to find out.
Yeah. Great. Yeah. Beautiful. So you're going under. Four elements are lining up underneath the trench, right?
Yeah.
So open up. Like you said, there's me, there's the leaf, the comforting,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And the
Security of a
security.
strong tree.
Then you have the